Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa is a hotel at Walt Disney World located right across the water from Magic Kingdom. Its design is inspired by the Victorian-era beach resorts built along Florida's east coast during the late 1800s. It has multiple dining options, 2 pools, a health club, a spa, has fireworks viewing, and is located on the monorail line, which can take you to Epcot or the one stop to Magic Kingdom. You can also take the ferry or even walk to Magic Kingdom from here. They have buses available to all other parks. The Grand Floridian has many rooms to choose from and many rooms dedicated to the Disney Vacation Club members. We booked their DVC Deluxe studio room, and that's what I'll be showing you around today. Welcome to our room. This is the first time we've ever stayed at Grand Floridian, and I am so excited because the vibe is on point. Seriously on point. Like, it just feels very like upscale and cozy. We usually stay at Saratoga Springs if you've ever seen any of these like room tour videos of our Disney stays, and I'll leave the link to those in the description below. But different vibe here, just really, really cool. So I guess let's take you around. These are the beds, 2 beds. 2 beds, which is incredible because we are each going to sleep in one, because why wouldn't you if you have 2 beds? And I think I'm going to choose this one. And it's pretty comfy, Lucas, really. I mean, it's pretty like bouncy, but it's good. And it's got like this velvety poof for effect, you know? And you can double it as like a roller, you know, to work out your sore muscles after a full day in the park, you know? Not really, it doesn't work like that. But if you really like to sleep on a round pillow, it is not comfortable, but you'll have the option. Pretty good fluffiness of these pillows. I always find Disney pillows not hard enough for me. I like them to be slightly more firm than that, but nice little velvety situation on the back. I don't know what this is. These look like little, whoa. They're like little reading lights on the sides. That's insane. And the sconces, they're pretty neat. Just testing everything out for the first time, so that was an exciting find, the reading light. Look at this. Like, what? What? Now, you know what's interesting to me is that this room is supposed to be Mary Poppins themed, which is interesting because it takes place in London and this is the Grand Floridian, so it's supposed to be like Floridian themed, you'd think. Random choice, but I love it. It's very like vibrant and bright, and there's like secret Mary Poppins is everywhere. Like in this painting here above the couch, there she is. She's flying. And I don't know if it's like the new Mary Poppins or the old Mary Poppins vibe. You tell me. Comment below if you think it's the new or the old. I have a feeling it's the new one, maybe. This is a couch that's very large, actually. It looks like it seats like 4 people. Like, check it out with me sitting in it. Like, I feel like 3 more people could fit on this couch. It's massive. I don't know if there's a bed in it, but very heavy table and this lamp. So I guess for like hangouts or if you need to work. Because there's no desk or chairs here. These closet doors are so cute, so epic. And this is where the extra pillow and blanket is. And 2 robes, which Lucas already pointed these out. He ran straight here to find out if they had robes because they're just our favorite thing ever.
Are they soft?
No, they're not soft. In Alani, those robes are the softest. They're the only robes that I've ever loved. These are just like the waffle material, kind of rough.
We'll still wear them.
Yeah. We'll still wear them, but I won't sleep in them like I do at Alani. I always sleep in my robe. And then a little, whatever this is. What would you call this?
It's where you put your cocktail.
Put your cocktail here for later? I don't think so, Lucas. I think it's to like, you know, charge your phone maybe.
It's boring.
It's cocktail, okay. Huge dressers, so, you know, if you're like us and you're staying here 3 weeks, we're not staying here 3 weeks, that's a dream. We're staying here a few days though, so I might actually put my clothing inside of these.
You get one side, I get the other.
Very spacious. Love it when you walk in, and usually there's music playing, but it's Disney music, so copyright. But and they always say like, "Welcome home, Brave family." If you're a DVC member like we are, Disney Vacation Club, that's what it stands for. It's like Disney's point system where you can stay at hotels. I'll leave the link to it below. I'm not really good at explaining, but anyway, we're part of that, and that's what this room is because it has a kitchenette. Hotel rooms, I guess at Disney, don't really have kitchenettes, or don't have them at all. I don't know, I always stay in a deluxe studio, which is what this is called. And it comes with a microwave, Keurig.
Show them the Disney coffee.
The coolest thing. I feel like we need to just like take these and keep them forever because they're amazing. Or like take them and put them like out at your Keurig at your house and people will be like, what?
But see, those are the 50th anniversary Keurig.
50th anniversary,
so you
never
keep,
use them.
You keep them for forever.
Forever. And then there's a fridge. That's a clear fridge. Like, okay,
That's
class.
nice.
I know. Oh, there it is. Okay, yeah. Nice and cold in here. There's no freezer section, so don't get ice cream. This is so adorable and cute. This is a huge mirror, a huge like area to do activities. You can put on your makeup or even do laptop work here, or even eat here. And it's got the cutest little poof. I mean, I think you guys understand how cute this is, and I keep saying cute. I'm probably.
Do you know what's in the chest?
Oh, is it
Guess.
a string of pearls?
It's money.
It is a hairdryer. This actually makes a lot of sense because you could sit here and do your hair. Welcome to the best part, honestly, because this bathroom has his and her, or her and her, or his and his, or
There and
double
theirs.
sinks.
Double sinks.
You know what I'm saying? Lovely. And this mirror is incredible. I would say this is the one to take your selfies in and to do your makeup in. The lighting is just epic. And I'm so excited about the counter space to put our stuff down.
Fresh towels.
I can't even fresh towels. Trash can in between.
Oof.
Like,
The H2O line over there.
oh yeah, this is a classic. And if you've seen any of my room tours before, you know how much I despise the smell of H2O plus, but whatever. You bring your own if you don't like the smell. You probably can't see in here.
It's the commode.
It's really loud, but the tile on the back of the shower is really cute.
Oh.
I'm not gonna turn on the light because it's so loud. I already got the tile.
Dark tile. Nice.
And the floors, look,
Oh.
they've got tile floors, they've got wood floors. The floors are cute.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean, can we talk about this? Chandelier, all the glass around it are penguins from Mary Poppins. I just love the Mary Poppins theming, even if it doesn't make sense. It's adorable. Last but certainly not least, the epic view that we got. Probably have to change the ISO again, huh? And it's super hot and humid out there, so I'm just gonna film from inside, but this is our balcony. And it's really spacious as well. If you wanna hang out and do some scaffolding watching, you know? Good times. So what are your thoughts? We haven't heard from you.
I like this room. Well, we haven't stayed in that many Disney World resorts, but
True.
out of all the ones we've stayed in, this is my favorite so far.
It's so cool.
I really like new stuff, but also that has like a vibe that it's not necessarily like super modern. So, but I like the fact that it's like new stuff and it's very like clean and open, and I don't know why my favorite thing in the whole room is the Starbucks. It's not Starbucks. The
It's
Joffrey's.
How dare
The
you? That
Joffrey's.
is slanderous at Disney.
know, the
Joffrey's
Joffrey's.
is their favorite, although they do have
Yeah.
Starbucks in the
There
parks.
was one year where we actually took home these tiny little thin like disposable
Coasters.
paper coasters because we were just so excited. So we get excited about our
Accurate.
Disney trips.
Accurate.
That is basically the truth.
And that is the Grand Floridian Disney Vacation Club Deluxe Studio Villa Tour, the mouthful of that title. I don't even know if I said it right. I don't even know. But we love it. It's our first time here. Can't wait to try out the beds and all of that. But like this video if you guys like Disney, and subscribe because the next 3 videos are gonna be of us and our Disney experience. So it's gonna be super exciting. Next week is Disney Springs and then a bunch of good stuff. And subscribe for more travel videos, and we will see you next week. Peace.
Bye.